A few weeks ago, I took delivery of a huge lot of Betamax tapes, and I got all of these for $20. However, the Betamax player that came with that lot, it powered on, but it did not work. There was a mechanism in there that loads the tape. It looked like somebody had tampered with it in the past. I think most likely a cassette got stuck inside, and they tried to take it out by force, and it broke that mechanism. And because the parts to these devices are quite hard to come by, I decided to buy a new Betamax player system. Now this one that I got is actually really cool, and it's supposedly in mint condition. That looks really nice so far. Okay. Look at that, guys. That's a really nice unit. Wow. Betamax players are quite rare right now. Like a working Betamax player, very rare. It looks incredible. It looks like it's really in mint shape, like he did say. Look at that. So this here is the Super Beta Theater SL HFT7. That's the model. It's just beautiful, guys. It's just beautiful. Wow. I wanted a unit that I could keep for a long time and not have to worry about its functionality. And it looks like this is it. Let's turn it around and see the other side of it. So the beautiful thing about this one here is that you can see that you can actually plug in your speaker system right on the back of this. That's because this actually comes with an amplifier built in. Isn't that cool? And also has a line in and line out, as well as video in and video out. So not too complicated from the back. Now I'm gonna test this out, but that's gonna be another video, guys. So stay tuned.